The city is ours. The city is ours. Rolling past graffiti walls, billboards lighting up the block. Every one of us on a mission. Got a whole crew by my side. Cars beep beep when they pass us by. We ready to get down to business.
This is an emergency warning. The current threat level is emergency, meaning that an emergency is in progress that will affect you and you should take action now to ensure your survival. The Prime Minister has authorised the relaying of this message to all television stations in Brisbane. The city of Brisbane is currently being threatened by a dust storm. Unlike other dust storms, it is purple, blue and golden in colour, and has the capability of converting any place it engulfs. This is in correlation to the Legend 008 phenomenon that is rapidly spreading across Asia and the Pacific. Anyone who is caught within this dust storm will be converted into a video game creature. For a list of these creatures' video games of origin, go to www.legendwatch.gov.au. Seek shelter, now. Seek a place of safety, now. Do not leave your home, shelter, or emergency centre. Do not go outside. The city of Brisbane is now being evacuated. All residents within a 50-kilometre radius of Brisbane are urged to evacuate immediately. A list of evacuation bus routes is available at translink.com.au. It is unknown when their situation will end, so please stay away.